everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as I promised you guys, my store is live right now. My Etsy store is open. You can start ordering glitters today, okay? I have everything updated. I am not shipping internationally. I'm sorry guys. I'm still trying to figure that out. If I ship internationally, the shipping would be so much for international shippers, and I just didn't want them to pay that much for, you know, a teaspoon of glitter. You know, I didn't want them to have to pay double the price of what the glitter is worth for shipping. So until I figure that out, I will not be shipping internationally. This is US only. If you do live in Canada, I can see and try to ship to you. Just send me a message and I will see what I can do. But other than that, my Etsy store is live. Oh my god, I'm super proud of it. I worked so hard on this. I'm still working hard on this. I still have to put some of my labels on my glitter. But other than that, like, I am ready to start shipping. I have everything in order. I worked so hard. It is 26 glitters on my store now, guys. So go check them out. And if you order one, please let me know, and I will send you a special discount code for next time. So Etsy store is live. Go check it out now. I'm gonna go back to working on my Etsy store, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be in a couple of days. It will be another glitter mix. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.